Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the Learning Class. Today's video is going to be a competition between the three top AI tools, ChatGPT, Bard, and Bing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, do consider subscribing, liking, do all the good stuff. Just helps the channel out. Okay, so today we are going to ask these three best AI tools to create a Facebook ad, and we'll see which one does a great job. Okay, so I already have a prompt ready. Uh, I'm just gonna pull the prompt out. It's just here. Okay, so just copy and then we go to Bing Chat. This is how Bing looks like. Just copy paste, write a Facebook ad promoting a new fitness app. Just gonna click enter. I'm gonna go to Bard, which is by Google as well, and then just copy paste, enter, and then Chat GPT, and then the same thing. Okay, so they are going to start giving us the results. Okay, it's still typing. So let's go. Oh, Bard is already ready. So let's see what Bard has given us for the Facebook ad. So Bard has given this in a nice format. It's given a headline, get fit with the new fitness app that's tailored to you, and then it's given a body, so which is pretty good. Looking for a fitness app that's actually effective and enjoyable, look no further. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then it's given a call to action. So download the app today and start your journey. So that's nice. And then there is image. So it's actually given us a recommendation of an image that we can use in the Facebook ad. So that's pretty cool. It's given us a target audience, people who are interested in fitness, and then this it's also given us a reason as to why this ad is effective. Okay, let's go to Chat GPT. Oh wow. So Chat GPT also has given a nice ad format. Unlike Bard, it has not broken down into like headline, body, call to action, but it's just kind of given an ad. Let's see, get fit anywhere. So that's, I think, like the heading. Then you've got the features as well, and then it's got a lot of emojis. It's got yeah, it's got lots of information. uh Kickstart your fitness. So that, I think that's, so this is like the call to action. And then it's also given us some hashtags in the end. Okay, let's go to Bing. So Bing is still kind of typing. So I don't know, Bing is a bit slow today. Okay, let's look at Bing. Oh, so that's it. Okay, so this is Bing. Yeah, let me just highlight this. And Bing is here like, are you looking to transform your lifestyle? Okay. So Bing has not actually broken it down. It's kind of just given like a header introducing our new fitness app. I don't quite like the headline. Here it says get fit with the new fitness app, and then here it goes, get fit anywhere, anytime. Oh, this actually Chat GPT has the best headline. Get fit anywhere, anytime with Fit Life Pro. Wow, pretty cool. Bing has then given us just like you know more like the features part, but it's not really broken down into different parts. So I think to start my Facebook ad campaign, I think if I have to rate out of 10, uh, I think for me, Chat GPT is the number two, and then the number one, I think, is Bard, because though Bard has less information, it's kind of broken down. So if you are a new person trying to do Facebook ad, for you this would be really helpful because it's actually given you like a headline, it's given a body. So I would give Bard about 9.5. I would give Chat GPT 9, and Bing, I think, about 7, because it's not really giving us much information. It's just given like a very standard ad. It's still good. So I think, yeah, I think the number one for me is Bard, and then ChatGPT. In fact, if I was making my Facebook ad, I would take information from both of these and then create my ad. But yeah, Bard and ChatGPT definitely. We'll just do a quick second example just to be fair to Mr. Bing as well. So let me go to my. I'm just gonna copy this and then just click on new topic. So this one is write a Facebook ad for a car dealership end of year clearance sale. Okay, so just gonna click enter and then we'll just do new chat, same thing, enter. Chat GPT, same thing. Oh, let me press new chat. Okay, so let's go to Bing. Okay, it's still typing. Okay, so that's cool. Let's see. Bard is already ready. So Bard is actually quite fast. So is Chat GPT. Okay, wow. So let's see. So Bard again has given the same headline: end of year clearance sale, save up to 50%, and new and pre-owned cars. Is given a body. Here you go, that's a body. And then is given a call to action. So call to action is shop now, so that's pretty cool. It's also given us an image that we can use, a photo of a new car with a price tag that says 50% off. So it's actually giving you like a, you know, like a hint or like a tip that, okay, you should have this kind of an image. It's given a target audience as well. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's go to Chat GPT. So Chat GPT again gives a nice header, then it's given a description, then it's given us some information like when does the promotion start, the time, where is the dealership. That's pretty good. um, Again, this is just right off the bat, right? You can ask them more questions. So for example, I can ask ChatGPT, what should be my target audience, right? So now it's giving me like a very detailed information about who would be my target audience for this ad, right? For this Facebook ad. So obviously, you can chat with them and get more information, but I think right off the bat, okay, so let's just see. Bing is ready as well. So again, Bing is just giving us very standard ad. As the year comes to a close, we are making room for new money. It's pretty okay. But again, I have to say, Bard and Chat GPT gives us like very comprehensive information about how to create a Facebook ad. So I hope this helps you out in choosing which AI tool you would use to make a Facebook ad. I hope it helps you out. Thank you guys for watching. Do consider subscribing, liking, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye now.